The dude in the yellow hoodie disappeared. And now I keep seeing a dude in a green hoodie. I don't know where the man in the yellow hoodie went. But all I know is the one in the green just stalks me relentlessly. I don't know, I keep hearing whispers. And these trees are always freaking me out. I don't know, I just keep hearing my child. There's a table over there. Found an old hat, but I can't find my white hoodie. I don't know. I think it might have gotten stolen, or I don't know, maybe the stupid dudes following me are pulling another prank on me. I don't know. I'm just glad I have the hat. Wouldn't even be wearing the hoodie now anyway. It's too hot. I still have no clue how I got here. Every day, or it just feels like I'm just waking up in a new location. This time it was here. I don't know. Hopefully this